Let's go ahead and see how to install the 10 through 40 meter 100 watt base loop that's remotely controlled onto the optionally available tripod and mast extension kit. Go ahead and slide the mast extension kit out of the top of the tripod, flip the lever, and collapse the mast. We'll go ahead and next install the base of the mast onto the back of the tuning box where the U-bolts are located. We'll go ahead and loosen up the U-bolts on the center support so that we can slide the mast up through those two U-bolts, and then we will go ahead and tighten them up a little bit. We'll extend the mast up a little bit more to the top support where there are two U-bolts. We'll loosen those up and slide the U-bolts onto the top of the mast. Lock the mast in place, tighten the U-bolts down so that everything stays secure when we're deployed. As we're doing this, we'll go ahead and note that there is a locking pin on the tripod that will hold the mast in place. Simply take the mast once all the U-bolts are secure on all three sections of the top, center, and tuning box. Slide the mast down into the tripod, place the pin into the hole, and lock it down. 73.